Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quartz bricks in Minecraft. To begin, you'll need to journey into the Nether to locate nether quartz ore. This valuable resource is quite common throughout the dimension. Ensure you have any pickaxe ready, as it's essential for successfully harvesting the ore. For a good starting amount, aim to collect at least 16 pieces of nether quartz to ensure you can craft a decent quantity of bricks. Once you've gathered your nether quartz, the next step is to transform them into blocks of quartz. Simply open your crafting table or even your personal inventory. Carefully arrange 4 pieces of nether quartz in a 2x2 square within the crafting grid. This precise arrangement will produce one pristine block of quartz, which serves as our crucial intermediate material for the final product. Now for the exciting part, crafting the quartz bricks themselves. Take 4 of your newly created blocks of quartz and place them into a 2x2 square on a crafting table. This particular arrangement is key and will yield 4 beautiful quartz bricks. Remember, a dedicated crafting table is absolutely necessary for this final step, as your personal inventory won't suffice. With your new quartz bricks in hand, you're now ready to elevate your Minecraft builds. These elegant bricks are perfect for adding a sophisticated and modern touch to any structure, from grand architectural masterpieces to sleek contemporary homes. Don't hesitate to experiment with them alongside other blocks to create truly unique and stunning designs. Enjoy bringing your creative visions to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.